Hey guys, how are you? So we're back out at my 2018 GMC Sierra truck. I got a tonneau cover on here. It's a, what is it, a Duke's tuxedo one, I believe. It's probably 8 years old, 7, 8 years old, somewhere in there, probably 7. But I've got a couple holes starting on here. Got my beautiful wife videotaping for me, if she can see those holes right there. And then right here, I've got a big one right here going across. And I really don't want to replace this right now, if I don't have to, because I think this tonneau cover goes for like $2,000, I think, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna use this repair tape right here. And I'm gonna use some alcohol wipes to clean this area off. And then we're gonna try and repair this real quick. I had done a video earlier, I think maybe last year, on fixing the latch on this thing right here, where I just use a file and filed a little better edge because my tonneau cover kept popping up a little bit. So that worked out really well. It was just a file and a few strokes on there, and it really cleaned it up, and I haven't had it pop open again. And if it happens again, where it wears down, I will just refile it again. All right, so we're just gonna clean this with alcohol. It's nice out here. You see a little bit of haze in the background. It's because we're in Wisconsin, and we've got fires in Canada, and all that smoke has been coming down here. Yesterday was horrible. So, all right, so now we're gonna take this, figure out how much I want. So I'm gonna put my thumb right there, and then on the back of this tape, you can see they've got a grid lines. So you can use those grid lines to cut where you wanna make a nice straight cut. So I'm going to follow this line right here. And then one other thing I will do is on this is I will cut the corners off, just make them round so they don't really hook onto anything. Don't have that sharp little point. You can see how I just rounded the corner a little bit on that. Just going to do the other ones real quick. These cobalt shears from Lowe's are awesome. Titanium carbon, beautiful stuff. All right, so we got that all done. And what we're gonna do is, now this has a break on the back. So if you just bend it like that, you're gonna see where the tape will come off. I'm gonna try and put as little bit of my fingers on here as possible to keep the grease from my fingers off. And then we're gonna put this on here. All right, I think we're going to start over here where the stitching is. And kind of push it in there. We're going to go slowly forward. There we go. Push those edges down. Go from the middle out. Don't push like this, and then you'll grab maybe an edge right now. So just push from the middle out. All right, so you can zoom in on there and look at it, but you can see how that looks.
Your camera's acting weird.
Look at that. Looks pretty good. All right.
Maybe it's too bright out here.
I think that is it. I'll give you an update later on and tell you how well it holds up. Just like that little latch, but that's a quick, easy fix if you have a tonneau cover with a couple rips. I've got one more left to do. Because I did the 2 over there, but I thought I could videotape this for people. So I'm going to do this big one here, and then we will be done. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye-bye.